Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to view private TikTok account without following. So it's not pretty simple, but I'm gonna tell you several solutions in order to see your private profile account on TikTok. So you have to just simply open up the TikTok. So after opening up the TikTok, you have to simply open up the profile which you want to view. So assume that this is a private profile. By the way, it's a public profile and all the post has been seen in the screen, but assume that it is a private account and you want to view the private account. So you must have to follow the first person, and after that you will be able to see the private account. And if you don't want to follow the person and you want to see, you want to hide your identity and you don't want anyone to let you know, so you have to just simply go back and you have to simply go to your profile section, and after tapping on the profile section you have to just simply click on your the above section of your profile, and here you have to just simply click on add account. So after tapping on add account, you have to just simply create a new account, dummy account, in which you have to just simply create an anonymous account without putting any of your real identity, and you have to just simply go to the account and make sure you have to follow the account, and after the next person will approve your request, then you will be able to see the private account. And this is the only way. There is no any shortcut to use or see the private account on TikTok without following. So I hope this methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.